You're in public, sweetheart.
Do what?
I said you're in public.
I'm going into a medical facility.
Okay, but when you get in there, you're in private. When you're out here, you're in public.
But you're recording me. It's a HIPAA violation.
Okay, sue me.
Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Auditing Arkansas. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's videos took place on September 5th, 2021 and on June 8th, 2021 at the Arkansas Nuclear One Electrical Power Plant in Russellville, Arkansas, and at the Curaleaf Medical Dispensary in Little Rock, Arkansas. The auditor is confronted by both a man and a woman at the medical dispensary for filming in public. The citizens incorrectly believe the man is violating their privacy. And while filming outside Arkansas's Nuclear One power plant, the auditor is confronted by a police officer for legal open carrying a firearm when it scares people that he is not actually breaking the law. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
I'm sorry, sue me.
What? I mean, what's the purpose?
You would have never been on the camera if you would have never walked over here.
I don't really give a shit off when I was walking.
Oh, I know, I saw you.
I mean, I don't understand the fuss. What, are you trying to shame us for getting medication?
Nope. We got medical marijuana cards too.
Then what's the purpose?
I've been hired by an individual to come watch this place for a few minutes, and so that's what I do. I'm a journalist. Yeah.
Well, you've had people sitting in their cars scared to death to go in.
Yeah, you have no expectation of privacy in public. And if I was on their property, that'd be one thing. If I
Did you get permission from them to be here?
I'm on the public easement.
Right. I'm gonna go tell the manager what you said.
Okay, you have a great day, ma'am. Be careful. Okie dokie.
Kiss my ass while you're at it.
Okay, sweet. Bring it over here.
Let's see.
You want to be in the music video?
Everybody recognize their right to film.
The right to film, so I'm going to film you.
Yeah, go right ahead.
Alright, what's your name?
What's your name?
Grady.
Grady.
Why are you filming me?
Because you walked up to a camera.
Why are you filming that place?
Because I was hired to.
By who?
Business.
Why are you doing it?
Because I'm getting paid.
So you're getting paid to film other people?
I'm getting paid to film that building, yes.
What's wrong with this business?
Nothing.
Why are you filming?
Because I was paid to.
For who? Are you shady?
No.
Yeah? You're not going to say who you work for?
For press.
What?
For press.
You're pressed?
Press.
We're pressed.
No, press.
It's in newspaper.
What newspaper you work for?
It's.
Hey, look, you've got all the answers you're going to get. Unless you show me a badge and a gun, you ain't getting nothing.
Why not?
Walk away or dance, because I'm making a music video.
Don't tell me what to do, man.
Hey, come any closer and I will defend myself.
What?
I will defend
You'll do
myself.
what?
I will defend myself, I
With
promise
what?
you.
You'll defend yourself?
Mm-hmm.
With what?
Taser.
A taser. You're going to tase me for walking?
No.
If you get too close.
I best leave my camera on, huh?
Yeah, leave your camera on, dude. That's
Okay.
what I want.
Yeah, go ahead and tase me.
I'm not going to dude, I'm not going to tase you unless you assault me.
Stop,
If you assault me.
Stop filming my favorite place in town. Stop.
No. I'm getting paid, dude.
Oh my God.
Hey.
You do anything for money, huh?
You apparently do too. I see that nice Beamer.
Dude, it's 10 years old. I paid for it and I took care of it.
Okay, good.
You should try it.
I'm trying to pay for mine too. That's why I work.
People open, man.
Nobody over, dude.
Dude, you tried to shut that place down.
No, I didn't.
You don't little camera bullshit.
I ain't trying to shut it down.
It is. They also work there. I go there. So
Well, get his license plate real quick.
face too, bro.
Huh?
My face too.
I'm not getting your face. 680 UWZ. I love it. First Amendment right to freedom of speech.
Yeah.
Dispatch, you get 1022. We called in, check back tonight.
I'm doing well. How are you? Nope. Been on the easement the whole time.
On the easement?
Been standing right here on the side of the road.
On that side of the road?
Yep.
on out in front of the training center?
I was standing, yeah, I've been down all the way down the road there, but this is a state highway.
I think it was making them nervous that you had a sidearm.
Oh, it's legal.
So,
Open carry state.
do you have any ID?
Not on me.
You don't have any ID on you?
I didn't know I haven't committed a crime. If I haven't committed a crime, I'm not obligated to ID.
Well, I need you have a firearm.
Okay.
So will you give me your name and date of birth
Nope.
so I can ensure that you are not a felon?
If I was a felon, I would not be out here with a firearm. Come on now.
Yeah, come on now. Work in my world.
Well, live in my world. If
You see
I mean,
what I'm saying?
if a criminal is standing out in the middle in front of God and everybody,
Oh yeah, trust me.
exercising his First Amendment right to freedom of the press, you're doing a story on the nuclear plant.
Is that what you're doing?
Yes.
Do you have any
And
credentials?
who issues credentials?
Hmm?
Who issues credentials?
Well, you said you're with the media.
I am. An independent journalist gathering content for a story.
Okay, independent journalist.
So, yeah. And your name and badge number?
Oh, my name's Joanne. I'm with the London Police Department.
I figured that. So, but yeah, I was just fixing to leave. Oh, you got the same radio I got. Yeah, I was just fixing to leave, but they called the law and I wasn't going to run.
Oh, well, no, I appreciate you.
Oh, yeah,
You know, and like I said,
Go ahead.
they called us.
Yeah, but
We'll try to get on
you know,
interstate and get
I'm not going to
Torrey,
trespass.
It's
That's against the law.
backed up all the way up here.
I'm not going to do anything against the law. I'm an independent journalist.
Okay,
I actually
thank you.
stopped to film the deer down there, and I thought,
Oh,
well,
there are so many deer around here.
and I thought, well, let's get a picture of the nuclear plant.
Yeah,
And
there are so many deer around here.
you know, I was just about to leave, but when they called the law, I said, well, heck, I'm not going to run.
Yeah, might as well hang out.
Yeah, might as well hang out. But yeah, I was on my way out. So, did you give me your badge number?
London 1.
London 1. Oh, you
Yeah.
the chief?
Yeah.
All right.
So,
I feel special. Get the chief
I
out
don't know
here.
if it says it on my badge, but that's who I am.
Oh,
So.
okay. Well, you can radio in, tell them that I'm leaving and that I'm in no harm, no ill will. I was just taking some pictures, and you'll see it. Maybe you'll see the story. Maybe you'll be on it.
What's it on?
Oh, I can't tell you that until it's over.
Oh, okay, well, make sure.
What's your email address?
Is that off?
Tell me your email address and I'll email it to you.
I don't want to throw it out there on the
Okay.
cause free nurse, you understand?
Yeah, you got a card?
Not on me.
Okay.
Yeah, at the office, I have a whole desk full of them.
Okay. I'll come back and get one.
Yeah, I mean, turn that off like this, see? Pause.
Okay.
Chief J. Dimmitt at yahoo.com.
Okay.
You can send that to me.
Huh?
Yeah,
Oh,
you
well.
send it to me.
Yeah, I'll send you everything. I'll show you where I was. I mean, I even took a picture down there to show that I wasn't past the security. That radio inside past the security barrier. I wasn't past the security barrier. I wasn't off the easement. I was standing about right here, and I got a picture. I was well on the outside of the poles, and the light poles are public. Anything outside of it is I mean, you got to give me room to walk. So that was where I was, but I appreciate you coming out, and
Well,
I appreciate you being professional too,
Oh,
because you know lots of people would have been like, throw me on the ground and ask questions later.
you see me?
No.
Who do you think you said?
Look,
Oh,
yeah, it was Pottsville.
No, I don't have, I'm not against people with firearms.
Well, I
But
mean,
again, but I did get a kick out of your statement that you actually would not believe how many people will have a firearm and be a felon.
well, I mean, to have a firearm and be a felon is one thing, but to have it out with showing,
No, really?
I mean, I'm exercising my First and Second Amendment rights.
You're giving some of these people way too much credit.
Well,
You see what I'm saying?
well,
And I'm not
I'm a
trying to be
retired
ugly
Army
or-
officer.
I'm not trying to be ugly or nothing like that, but literally I got a kick out of that because that was kind of funny. We do it all the time.
Yeah.
You know. No, I'm not going to. I mean, I've done my job. You know? You're not on their property.
Mhm.
You're not trespassing.
Right.
So
Appreciate it.
we're complete.
Fist
Oh,
bump you.
yeah.
Fist bump you.
Yeah. Okay, I can do that. Yeah.
Or elbow bump you, whatever.
Yeah. Nowadays, and nobody likes nobody touching.
Yeah. But yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll pack up. You can radio and tell them that I'm leaving. And
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Auditing Arkansas's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to our channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit your video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.